Today I'm going to show you how to convert image file types with a PowerShell script created by an AI assistant. In this case, I'll ask Claude to create a PowerShell script for converting PNG files to JPG. Here's how you do it. Simply type in the command. Create a PowerShell script to convert PNG files to JPG in this folder. Then, specify the folder containing the PNG files by copying the folder path. To do this, navigate to your folder, click next to the path to highlight it, then right-click and copy. Then paste this path into Claude and hit send. Claude will then generate the PowerShell script. Once the script is generated, click on the Copy Contents button to grab the script text. Now we'll create the script file. Go back to your folder, right-click, select New, then choose Text Document. Name the file convert.ps1. Make sure to delete the .txt extension so that it's recognized as a PowerShell script. Hit Enter. When prompted, confirm the file extension change by clicking Yes. Next, open the Convert PS1 file in a text editor. The Windows default is Notepad. Paste the script text we copied from Claude, then close and save the file. To run the script, we need to launch PowerShell from the folder containing our script. To do this, click next to the folder path like we did before, type PowerShell, and hit Enter. This opens up the PowerShell window. Now to run the script in PowerShell, type the first few letters of the script name and hit Tab to auto-complete. Then press Enter. You might encounter an error due to a policy that prevents the script from running. Don't worry. Highlight and copy the error message and go back to Claude or ChatGPT for a solution. Paste the error message and send it for a workaround. For now, I've chosen the temporary solution to bypass the policy when running my script. I've added this to the description below. Just copy and paste the command into PowerShell and press Enter. Your converted file should then appear in your folder. Let's check one of the converted JPG files to make sure this was a success. Awesome, it worked. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers and your support means a lot. If you have any suggestions for future how-to videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.